So, hello everyone. My name is Emery Thomas. I'm a modern workplace consultant at Avanade, and I'm also a MVP for M365 development and SharePoint. And today I'm going to show you a sample that is displaying documents by content type using the new pie chart option for ACs in Viva Connections. So I built this sample because I think this is a good example of how to use the new data visualization card options for Viva Connection. And basically what it does, it displays a pie chart showing documents of a selected document library by content type. And you have the option to select the source library that you want from the property pane of the adaptive car extension. So before moving on to the demo part, just a quick overview of the data visualization card template with SharePoint Framework. So it was first introduced with version 1.19, but we only had a line chart card layout. And then with the SharePoint Framework version 1.20, which has been generally available for a few days now, I think, we have 3 more new data visualization options, which are the bar chart, the donut chart, and the chart that we are going to see today, the pie chart. So let's move on to the demo. Yes, so as you can see here on my home, I have nothing, but I'm going to add my card to the dashboard. So for now, it is empty. So I will open the property pane, and here I need to enter the site address where my source library is, and then enter the title of my library. And for this demo, I'm going to use the PNP project library, which has a lot of documents. Some of them are high-level design. We also have low-level design and some business requirements documents. So first, I'm going to copy the site address. I'm going to paste here. And the title of my library that I'm going to paste here, and then publish my dashboard page. And yes, so as you can see here, I have 3 different sections because I have 3 different content types on my library. And I can see that I have 45% of low-level design, 32% of high-level design, and finally 23% of business requirements documents. And it should be available on the Viva Home as well. If I refresh a few times, let's try one more time, but it's basically the same view. Yes, I have it here. So pretty simple feature, but yes, it's a nice way to have a graphic view of data in the Viva Connection dashboard. So let's move back to the slide for some code. So to begin with, if you want to use this card template, make sure to use the latest version of the SharePoint framework to build your project and select the data visualization card template. And actually here, it's not the latest version. It was a 1.20 beta version, but 1.20 should be the same. So the first thing that I want to do is to retrieve the data that I want to display on my pie chart. So I'm going to do that using the Graph API to retrieve all the files of my library. And for this sample, I won't need the title of the documents or the type of the documents. I only want to select the content type of the document that I'm retrieving. Once I have my, let's say, raw data, I want to format it to bind it with my pie chart. So to do that, the first thing that I want to have is a list of content type names, but without any duplicates. So this is what I'm going to do with this new set. And then for each of this content type name, I want to have the number of associated documents. And to do that, I'm going to build a new array, which is going to be an array of pi data point. So if we focus on what is a pi data point, so we have the X property, which is going to be the name of the content type. The Y property, which is going to be the number of documents associated to this content type, sorry. And we also have the color and the show label properties that I won't use on this sample, but basically you can choose the color that's going to be used by the pie chart. And you can also choose to display or not the label of the content type in this sample on the pie chart. And for the label, if you don't put any value for this property, the labels will be displayed by default. So once I have formatted my data, I can move on to the card view to display my pie chart. So on the pie chart view, card view, I can define the visualization kind that I want. Here I want a pie chart. And then on the series parameter, I'm going to bind the pi data point array that I built earlier. So that's pretty much it. But to go a bit further, so it's not part of the sample, but you can notice here the property isDonut, which is set as false. But if you set this parameter as true, it will automatically switch to a donut chart without any further configuration, which is showing the same data. Plus, you also have the total number of documents you have on your library. And finally, if you want to add more information on your card, you can also add some header and footer on your chart card. For instance, here I'm having the title of my library and a button to open the quick view of my card. That's it for me. Thank you very much.